So this is the 3D OCT Maestro2. It's an all-in-one OCT with color fundus captured at the same time. It's basically a single button press to get you everything all in one go. So this device can really help with workflow, and also it's highly delegatable. It's very simple to take a scan. You get a repeatable scan just with a button press, and you'll have the true color fundus image combined with the OCT scan, or you can choose to do OCT-A. In addition, rather than taking a separate disc and macular scan, you can do a 3D wide scan, and it will get you both in one go and a single report, or you can choose the Hood report developed by Professor Don Hood for looking up glaucoma in the early stages. So this is the DRI OCT Triton. It's a swept source OCT combined with color fundus imaging and a range of other multimodal images as well, especially on the Plus model where we have fluorescein angiography and FAF. So it's very valuable having the multimodal imaging and the pinpoint registration between the OCT and any of the fundus imaging. It helps clinical confidence, but it's also an easy device to use. It's very, very quick to use because of the A scans per second, 100,000 A scans per second. That's used to give a quick capture, but also to ensure that we have an exceedingly dense data set across up to a 12 by 9 millimeter area. That also makes the OCT angiography very fast and enables us to go up to 12 by 12, which you can also mosaic. The long wavelength, 1050 nanometers, combined with the signal-to-noise ratio of swept source, means that you can scan through cataract. You can have a good look at the macula before you do your cataract surgery and make sure that it is healthy. You also get through gas and hemorrhages and so on. So it's a very useful device to see a very wide range of patients.